Hey there 4x4 fanatics! Welcome back to the Garage Miami, your ultimate destination for all things 4x4. Today we are introducing the brand new Raxar bull bar, now available at the Garage Miami. This isn't just any bar. It's a stylish and robust bumper replacement that comes in both loop and no-loop designs. Each Raxar bull bar comes fully loaded with a tough underbody bash plate, full-ton toe points, driving light mounts, antenna tabs, and high lift jack points. Plus, it's finished in a durable E-coated and powder-coated matte black, ensuring it looks great and withstands the elements. And we've got you covered no matter what you drive. The Raxar bull bar is available for the Next Gen Rangers and Everest, Isuzu MUX, Mazda BT50, Mitsubishi Triton and Pajero Sports, Suzuki Jimny, LandCruiser 300, Volkswagen Amarok, and the Great Wall Tank. Contact our friendly team today for a quote.